Make a right.
Hello.
Stay in your car. Stay in your car. What are you doing? Stay in your car.
What are you doing?
Get back in your.
Hands off me. Hey, you relax. You relax. It's officers. You relax. Get him. Got him.
Move your hand.
I'm helping you, bud.
Roll over. Roll over on your back. Roll over on your back.
Stop it. Put your hand behind your back. I can't. Put your hand behind your back. You're in custody. Relax.
Start me another unit.
For what?
Relax.
What the fuck did I do?
And Buren.
Relax, and
What
he'll tell
did I
you.
do?
He'll tell you in a second. Relax.
You don't even know what I did.
You want a cuff on?
You're in Washington requesting additional units.
I'm retired. Now just relax, okay? Everything will get explained to you in a second.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any weapons?
Are you a cop?
No, he is a cop.
I'm not talking to you, man.
Okay.
702.
Just got a mag.
702.
I got a
I
what?
got the party detained now.
The party
Yeah, it's mine.
detained?
Yeah, I'm detained.
I saw the whole thing.
Start firing supervisor.
Yeah, please do. You're about to lose your job, pal.
Okay, just confirm. Continue them.
Okay, it's over. Relax now.
702. Continue another unit, but I have them detained, cuffed.
Confirm you need another unit. You have and just confirm can I clear the air or not yet?
God damn it. Would you please stop fucking
702.
doing
I'll
that
wait
shit?
till another unit's here. Stop doing what?
You attacked me, pal.
Yeah, when you got out of your car.
Yeah, when I got out of my car. What the fuck did I do? What did I do? Who attacked who?
You attacked the officer.
Bullshit. He came
You
up to me.
attacked the officer. I
Bullshit.
was standing right here.
Thank you.
So just confirm if I can clear
Keep your
this
knees out. 702. You can clear the air now.
702, if I can clear the air now. Are you just going to on the traffic?
He was being
You're gonna
nice
roll
to
onto
me?
your left side.
Okay.
Bring your knees in.
Oh, that was
Bring your knees in. You're gonna stand up. We're gonna walk to the back of the car.
You better have a good reason for stopping me, bud.
Yeah, you have no plates on your vehicle, buddy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? And you think that's a crime? It's in California. Are you sure?
Sit down.
The reason to stop you.
It's that guy's phone.
I think so. Yeah,
You okay?
Yeah. Freaking guy.
Oh, when your mag fell out, I'm like, oh shit, does he have a gun on him?
No.
Oh, no, I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your help. Appreciate it.
That lady should give you a full statement.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice
I'm gonna,
seeing you.
I'm still shaking.
I need to get your info here in a second.
Yeah. Okay. That's okay, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, that was totally in the wrong. So quickly.
Oh.
Do anything.
Thank you.
Here, kiss me a second.
Merry Christmas.
That ain't
We'll have you hang tight for just a minute, okay?
I will.